In this video, we are going to learn how you can create coupons in WooCommerce. So coupons, as you guys already know, is a document or a ticket that can be redeemed for financial discount when purchasing a product or service. So in this video, we're basically going to learn how you can create coupon codes in WooCommerce. So let's get started. As you can see, we have a WooCommerce website over here. This is a very beautifully designed website. This is a starter site called Homey from Blocksy. Okay, great. So we're going to learn how you can create coupon codes in this WooCommerce website. So first, you have to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. As you can see, we have already logged in. So we're going to head over to the dashboard. Then we are going to hover mouse over WooCommerce and head over to settings. Before we do anything, we are going to ensure that the coupon is enabled. So we're going to scroll down, and over here you can see there's an option called Enable Coupons. We are going to enable this option. You can also enable this option as well, calculate coupon discounts sequentially. All right. So once these are enabled, make sure to click on the Save Changes button. All right. After that, we are going to head over to coupons section over here. Now, as you can see, we have no coupons added. We can click on Add New Coupon or Create Your First Coupon button over here. Either way will work. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Here you can add your coupon code, description, and finally configure your coupon data. So first, let's add a coupon code. If you don't have any coupon code in mind, you can generate the coupon code by clicking on this button. So we're going to do that. All right. So once we have our coupon code, we can add a description. Let's add the description later on. As this is optional, you don't have to add a description, but adding it will help you understand what this coupon does. So in the coupon data, the first option you are going to see is the discount type. If we click on this drop-down, you can see there are three options: percentage discount, fixed cart discount, and fixed product discount. Now, reading all this, you already have an idea what type of discount these are. We're going to choose the fixed cart discount in order to keep this tutorial as simple as possible. The next part is the coupon amount. So how much discount this coupon will yield. So let's say this will provide a $20 discount. The next option, you can put a check mark on this box if this coupon will grant free shipping. But before you do this, you have to set a free shipping method from your shipping zone. All right. Next, you can apply a coupon expiry date, so how long this coupon will last. So today is 2nd of September. We can apply it for 1 month, so 2nd of October. So this coupon will be valid for 1 month only. Now, after this, we're going to click on usage restriction. So here are a lot of options, and these are actually very important. You can choose the minimum spent. So these are some conditions for the coupon to be applicable. So let's say we want our users to spend at least $100 in order to apply or use this coupon. You can also add a maximum spent if you want, but we're not going to add maximum limit. The next option is individual use only. If we read over here, it says, check this box if the coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons. So this is quite simple. So if users can use this coupon with another coupon for more discount, normally we put a check mark over here so that they cannot do that. We can also exclude sale items. So if we read over here, it says, check this box if the coupon should not apply to items on sale. So the items on sale already have some discount, and you might not want the coupon to work on those items as well. So normally we would put a check mark here as well, but in order to keep this tutorial simple, we are going to remove this. But if you want, you can have this enabled. Next, we can choose for which products this coupon will be applied on. So for products, we can click on this drop down and type the 3 letters. You can see some of these products appeared on this drop down. So if we choose elegant chair, this coupon will only be applied for this particular product. Again, you can also exclude products from here. But we're not going to choose individual products. Rather, we are going to choose a category. So this coupon will be applied for all the products of that particular category. And this is recommended because if you have a lot of products on your WooCommerce website, selecting all those products individually and excluding some of those products individually will take a lot of time. But you can select your products from here if you want. But we are going to actually choose tables. So for all the table categories, this coupon will be applied. And we're going to exclude the other categories such as chairs, sofas, and uncategorized, right? Again, you can add an allowed emails. So what does this mean? Let's hover a mouse over this question mark and read. List of allowed billing emails to check against when an order is placed. Separate email addresses with commas. You can also use an asterisk to match parts of an email. So you can choose which emails you want to allow for this coupon. You can also choose product brands and exclude brands from here. So you can see that there are a lot of options, but to keep things simple, we are only adding this category. Now, in the next option or in the next tab, which is the usage limit, you can put a limit for this coupon. So usage limit per coupon. So if we click over here, it says how many times this coupon can be used before it is void. So after how many use this coupon is going to expire. Let's say we are adding 25. So after 25 usage, this coupon will expire. Now the usage limit per user. How many times a single user can use this coupon? If we hover our mouse over here, we can read the description. It says how many times this coupon can be used by an individual user. So we are going to write 1 here. So a single user will be allowed to use this coupon only once. Now with all of that, all we have left to do is publish this coupon. But before we do that, we're going to add a little description. So $20 discount on all tables. So this explains our coupon a little bit. So we are going to click on the publish button and our coupon has been created. Now, if we click over here in coupons under marketing, we can see that our coupon has been added. We can also see the usage and limit, expiry date, description, everything is here. Now let's go ahead and copy this code and actually see if this works or not. So let's head over to our WooCommerce website. We're going to click on Visit Store. And from here, let's go ahead and pick a table. So this is a table we can pick, but it's sold out, so we cannot purchase it. This is something we can pick. Now this is on sale, but our coupon will work regardless because we didn't check that checkbox where it says that this coupon won't be applied or won't be available for products on sale. So we're going to select this table and let's add 2 of this product, right? Now let's click on Add to Cart. All right, now let's view cart. And here we can see that the product value is $140. Now let's apply the coupon code over here and let's click on apply coupon. Great. You can see the coupon code has taken effect. Now it's giving us $20 discount. So now the cost is $120. So our coupon code is working perfectly. So that is basically how you can add coupon codes or create coupons on your WooCommerce website. That was a short but very important tutorial and we hope that it was helpful for all of you. Now, if you guys want to learn how to create an e-commerce website with WooCommerce, we have a tutorial on that. You can find it in the video description. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. We hope it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos such as this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.